What's up, YouTube? Bolo290 back again, Friday, about 1:18, and this is my iPad because my phone space is getting low. Plus, I've got it, so there's my phone, and instead of being a vlog today, I think I want to do a couple videos. But I just picked up a new toy the other day, and it's pretty sweet. I mean, if you got your tax money coming in, recommend it if you need speakers that you can take pretty much anywhere. The big thing for me was it was a Bluetooth enabled one, so if I use my phone to play music off of, and say as he calls or somebody else calls me, mom or dad, then I can just take off the Bluetooth and answer the call and not affect the music. Well, sort of, but I got the here's the bad boy, the Bose SoundLink. It's pretty sweet. It is retails for about $300, something like that. So yeah, it is pretty sweet. I'm going to test it out for you. Everybody's favorite song, Gangnam Style. Get you a little taste. So we're going to power this bad boy on. It beeps because it's already connected to my phone. And well, let's hear it. Crank it up. Pretty legit.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자.
Pretty sweet. And now, the special feature.
낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 저 선어해. 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해. 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해. 그런 선어해. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너.
Why'd you have to email me in the middle of a song?
오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 Hey sexy lady 오빤 강남 스타일.
But you get the idea. That was enough. That was your special feature, Shelby. So, it's a pretty sweet piece of a thing. I read some reviews, it comparing to other sound devices such like that, and Bose always sounds better. I don't care what people review about other ones, but it always sounds better. And might as well turn this into an all-in-one review, vlog, and dance. Man, the 3P. Can't get better than that. So I cleaned up the house pretty much today as he's coming in tonight after she gets off work. So there are the floors. Tables are all clean. Stove's all clean. Sink is empty. Not gonna say anything else because there's something in the fridge. Roommate doesn't want me to talk about it because it's a little bit on the you need to know. I'll tell you policy. Well, a need to know basis. So then here's all the floors swept. Everything looking nice. and I finally put on my bed sheets that I got from Kmart before I decided to put my 2 weeks notice in over there, and here they are. Pretty sweet. And there's the draft as he gave me. I mean, other than that. Oh, and another thing, since the last time you saw me, you might have seen that I only had a 32-inch Samsung TV. Yeah, this is the spare bedroom. There it is. What does that mean? That means that in my room, there's another TV that I happen to pick up. And it's pretty badass. So, here you go. It's a lot bigger. It's a 43-inch plasma Samsung. I love my Samsung TVs. Samsung hasn't let me down for TV-wise. And I also picked up this neon Purdue helmet from Kmart before I left. It's legit, even though Purdue football's not the greatest at the moment. Maybe it'll be a good look sign, but that's that. And the bathroom. Everything all clean. Toilet clean. I don't really think you wanted to see the toilet, but whatever. Laundry running right now, getting ready to make some lunch, and then take a shower, hop back on Xbox, and work, and then wait for Azzy. Because, well, it's going to be fun. What else? Yeah, Azzy's coming in tonight. You know that already. I have to tell you a funny story. Last night, I was driving home from work, driving down McCarty, this big lane, or this big road. Pretty much, I drive every time to work because there's no stoplights on it. And so, I get off of McCarty and turn onto Creasy towards my house. And I get this text from Shelby, the person who watches my videos a lot, asks for certain things. She's like, were you driving on McCarty, not taking any videos or whatever? And I'm thinking to myself, first off, why would she know that I'm on McCarty? Unless she's obviously on there, which I came to that assumption. And then, I also was just like, why is she doing out this late at night? It was like 1 o'clock at least. And so I'm just like, this, whatever, you know. I text her back, I'm like, I'm going to do one tomorrow because I don't work Kmart anymore. So that's what I'm doing right now. So, but other than that, I mean, that was kind of weird. And so, yeah. Hopefully tonight's a better Friday than last Friday. Because last Friday just sucked at work. We were so busy. So. And yeah, the weekends have been busy because of the men's state tournament. Everybody calls, is there open bowling? Is there open bowling? No, there's no open bowling until Easter weekend only. And then after May. So. Other than that, I mean, not really much else to talk about. So, any ideas for future videos? Comment, subscribe, rate, like. Helps me out. Bullet 290, T-Deck 15, out.